Hello everyone, in this video we will see the latest UK government announced travel quarantine plans for international users as well as the UK citizens who are coming into UK from 15th of February. So from 15th of February, UK government has put up a lot of new rules for quarantine if they are reaching or coming into UK or arriving into UK. It depends upon which country you are coming from. So it's basically the UK government has told if you are coming from a red list country, that is they have a list of 33 countries which is having which is in the red list, which means that the people who are coming from the red list countries have different rules and the people coming from non-red list countries will have different rules. In this video we will see what are the differences and what are the fines they have put in place for the arrivals from 15th of February. We will see that in detail. First we will see what is the main points in this new quarantine rules from starting from 15th of February. So 15th of February, anyone arriving into UK, either a UK citizen or non-UK citizen, has to follow two set of rules. One is whether they're coming from a red list country, which is 33 countries. Why this new rules as coming from 15th of February is the UK government want to avoid mass COVID infections from COVID variants. That is the variant of South Africa and then the variant of Brazil. So all the South American countries from Brazil, Argentina, Peru, a lot of countries, and as well as the South African countries, countries near South Africa, and one country in Europe, which is Portugal, which is also added into the red country list, and UAE, which is Dubai, Abu Dhabi, is also added into the red list country. So if you are coming from this country, you have to go through 10 days of quarantine in a hotel which is designated by the government, and then you have to pay the fees, that is the hotel charge for the 10 days stay. That's your expense at your own expense. That's the main thing. If you are not coming from the red list country, then also you have to quarantine for 10 days. In this case, the 10 days quarantine will be in your home. You are self-isolation in your home with the address you are giving in the passenger locator form. If you are coming from a non-red list country, then what you have to do is, as the normal rule says, before this 15th of February rule is, you have to take a COVID negative test within 72 hours of your travel time. So your test should be taken within 72 hours of your travel time. That's the first thing, and the test should be a negative. So the COVID negative should be there, and then you have to fill the passenger locator form. In the passenger locator form, you have to clearly mention whether you have been to or whether you have traveled to the red list countries in the past 10 days. So if you are lying on that passenger locator form and later the officials find that you have traveled to the red list countries in the past 10 days, then you have a severe £10,000 fine or a 10-year jail sentence, which is never been seen before in the pandemic. For the past 1 year, this is a new fine, which is £10,000 or 10-year jail sentence for those who are lying in the passenger locator form. So please make sure, if you are visited any of the 33 red list countries in the past 10 days, don't travel to UK and then face the fine. Or you have to travel to UK means then you have to tell that in the passenger locator form, and you have to go to the 10 days government quarantine procedure. What are the rules for the people coming from non-red list countries, that is like India or any other Asian countries or South Asian countries? The main is you have to quarantine for 10 days in the location of your own choice. You have to give the details to the passenger locator form. So you can travel by a public transport to the place, and then you have to quarantine there. While in quarantine, on the day 2, you have to do a COVID test, and the COVID test should be negative. And then after day 5, you have to do another COVID test, and that should be negative. Once you've done these 2 tests, you are allowed to go outside of the self-isolation. If any of these COVID tests, day 2 COVID test or day 5 COVID test is positive, then your count will start again. You have to go through 14 days of quarantine, and then on the 14 days, on the 8th day, you have to take another COVID test and then prove that you are negative. So all your details will be put into the government trace and release program, and then it will be monitored. If you are not submitting your COVID test on day 2 or day 5, then you have fines. That is, day 2, if you don't submit your COVID test, that means you will be you have to pay a fine of £1,000, and then if you don't do it again on the fifth day, day 5 COVID test, then you will be paying fine of £2,000. So make sure you do this test. These tests are at your own cost, and nearby any COVID test centers, you can take this COVID test. Okay, if you are coming from any of this red list country means, then I said it is you definitely don't come, but you have definite reason to come to UK for medical purpose or to meet any relatives who is not in good shape. So in that case, if you come, then you have to book the hotel, which is the government authorized hotel to stay for 10 days. The cost is £1,750 for 10 days stay. In that cost consists of your accommodation, your travel to the location, your test, and your food during the stay. All those things are included in this 10 days. This is for one person. So one person has to pay 1,750 for 10 days quarantine, and you will not be allowed to go outside of the hotel. If you want to go outside of the hotel for any fresh air or to want to smoke, then you should approach the security guards in the hotel who are nominated, and then you have to go out with them. So you are not allowed to roam in the hotel. You can stay inside the hotel, inside your room, and then when you want to come out for fresh air or for a smoke purpose, you have to approach the security guards. They will take you out, and while arriving into UK, the immigration clearance, all those things, you will be having separate thing if you are coming from a red list country, and you will be straight away escorted to the hotel you have booked, which is the government approved hotel, and then where you will spend the 10 days of quarantine with the same day 2 and day 5 test. After the day 10, you will be allowed to go out of the hotel and come back to your normal life in UK. So these are the main new set of rules, quarantine rules, which is government has put to be followed from to be implemented from come into force from 15th of February this year. So make sure you see these details before you travel if you are coming from red list country. If you are not coming from red list country, again you are asked to quarantine for 10 days in your own house. That is self isolation, that is there, with the fines of £1,000 and £2,000 if you are not doing the test properly. And if you are lying on the passenger locator form regarding the visit to the red list country, then it is £10,000 or 10 years of jail sentence. So government mainly put this new rules mainly to contain the spread of variants, which is South Africa variant and then the Brazil variant, which are not that much reacting to the available vaccines, which is AstraZeneca or BioNTech, whatever that. So the scientists are currently doing further tests to check how effective the existing vaccines against these new variants. So there are other variants also coming. So make sure you see this video, and then make sure you have satisfied all the conditions and able to satisfy them properly, and then come to UK for any immediate mandatory reasons. Hope this video will be useful for you. If you like it, comment it, share the channel, share the video. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.